Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 26. This is Section 1.4, Problem 26. It says Ken went to the doctor for a checkup. He weighs 207 pounds. His doctor told him that he needs to lose 20 pounds. How much should he weigh? So we have to do a subtraction. The 207 pounds that Ken weighs now minus the 20 pounds that he will be lighter if he loses the weight that his doctor tells him to. And we'll do that subtraction. I want to write the numbers so that the rightmost digit of each number lines up vertically when I write them. So now in the far right column of digits, I have to subtract 7 minus 0. That's easy. 7 minus 0 is 7. Now as I go over one column to the left, now I have to subtract 0 minus 2. Now that's a case where I need to borrow because the 2 is too large to be subtracted from the 0. So I go over one column of digits to the left. I find the digit in the top position of that column. Right now it's a 2, so I'm going to cross it off, reduce it by 1. So it reduces from a 2 down to a 1. Now the 0 in the middle column that I was working with can get a 1 in front of it, changing it from a 0 into a 10, which would make the subtraction 10 minus 2, which I can do. 10 minus 2 is 8. And now as I go over one more column to the left, I have 1 minus nothing underneath it. So 1 minus nothing is just simply 1. Now the answer is 187, but as with most application problems, when they give you units of measure, in this case pounds, we have to put the units of measure back into our answer. So it's not just saying the answer is 187. To do a nice job, we really should say the answer is 187 pounds. That's how much Ken should weigh if he loses the weight that his doctor recommends that he lose.